Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings directly from the desktop. Right-click and choose Display Settings. Once there, make sure your Windows 10 build supports Auto HDR and that your GPU drivers are up to date, because the option won't appear otherwise. If you plan to change settings for an external monitor, connect it now so Windows detects its capabilities. Once done, scroll to the Multiple Displays or Advanced Display Settings area to reveal HDR or graphics-related options that we need for the next step. You now find the HDR and color management controls. Click Advanced Display Settings and look for Windows HD Color or HDR settings. If you see an Auto HDR toggle, switch it off. If not, open Graphics Settings and check any perap HDR overrides. Make sure to apply changes and, if prompted, sign out or restart apps to let the new setting take effect. This is why drivers and Windows build matter. Those controls are only present when the system advertises HDR support. Finish by restarting your PC or at least the apps you use for HDR content so the change sticks. Windows sometimes requires a sign out to fully apply display configuration. If Auto HDR remains active, reinstall or roll back the GPU driver and repeat the steps, because driver-level settings can force HDR behavior. Also inspect your monitor's on-screen display for any built-in HDR mode and disable it if present. If issues continue, verify Windows updates and GPU control panel settings to isolate the source.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.